Hi, it's Filo. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's an unboxing of all the stationery that was kindly sent to me by Stationerypal. I will link everything in the description. They currently have a winter back to school and Valentine's sale, and you can use my code Filo for 15% off your order. You can also participate to the international giveaway to win a mystery set by Stationery Pal. For that, follow the rules down below. First, we have those plushy earmuffs because it's really cold right now in the morning. They're really soft. A winter hat slash scarf slash mittens with my awesome modeling. And as always, they put a bunch of freebies in the box. This bunny is my absolute favorite. Look how cute! The last freebie is this adorable phone holder. Perfect for me as I love rodents. And now back to the stationery. I chose the circle maker as I had those two before. So now I will have everything I need on this one. Then I saw this date stamp, perfect to change a bit my weeklies, and in fact you saw me use it in my February plan with me that was filmed right after that. Then I chose this correction tape by Tombow because I don't have any and I really need one. I've been wanting to do a space theme for the longest time, so I chose this starry washi tape. I also chose these basic washi tapes in neutral colors. As you can see, there's a bunch of it. You can do many themes with that. I also didn't have any bookmarks, and I'm currently reading like 4 books. I love the variety of these delicate designs and neutral colors. Lately I've been annotating my books and I needed sticky notes, and I figured those were just perfect in neutral tones also. For my bullet journal and especially my reading journal, I never have too much stickers. I know that the range of colors from white to brown will match everything, so I chose a few sets in those colors. Plus I love that there are transparent papers as well as opaque papers. I also wanted to try some gold details and found those stamps and plants, and they also match everything. Then I saw this Rosy Posy scrapbooking paper. Love that each page is like a theme in itself. Finally, I took some pens. First, those 3 by Zebra Sarasa. I already know from experience that they're great. And finally, I wanted to try the Muji gel pens that everybody talks about. I see them everywhere. I had never tried those. So now let's do a quick swatch. So the Mujis are really smooth. I can understand why everybody loves them, but they need a bit of time to dry, more than the Zebra Sarasa. I'm even amazed that the thickest Zebra Sarasa, 0.5, dries really fast. And so that's it for today. These are all the treasures that Stationerypal kindly sent me. Go check their winter back to school and Valentine's sales. And don't forget to use my code Filo for 15% off. And don't forget to participate to the international giveaway. I'll see you very soon in my next video, and until then, enjoy planning!